Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have TFUEL THETA FUEL daily update, but before we begin, join our monthly subscription guys. Only 30 out of 50 spots are available for now, and you will get easy profits by getting automated signal buying opportunities, personal guidance, many educational videos, and of course many more. Also join our Telegram group chat. Both of these links are in the description down below, and of course you will see that MindYourCrypto Grow Together is the Telegram link, and of course we have the monthly subscription buy me a coffee /MindYourCrypto. So let's go now. If you like the content, also hit the like button and subscribe. We can go now to the technical analysis, and as you can see guys, what I'm hoping for right here for TFUEL is to have a double bottom, almost double bottom, you can see here, and then a significant swing high, right? But that depends guys on TFUEL Bitcoin chart, because right now you can see Bitcoin is going upwards while TFUEL remains silent. It is because we are correcting against Bitcoin. It is because we can't go upwards for now, and you can see that the 50-day MA has become our resistance level. You can see how many times we found top in the resistance line and then went down, or we want of course now to just go above the 50-day EMA, but we will see about that. Let's go now to the MACD. The MACD, as you know, I wanted to keep having higher highs and higher lows guys, higher highs and higher lows. This is a higher high, and of course we don't want to go beyond this support line right here. We want to see a bullish cross that we saw right now, very good, and now we want to go all the way upwards, surpassing this resistance line right here. Let me color it with red one. Yeah, there we go. And why I want this is because guys, it is very important for the MACD indicator in the 4-hour frame. We care about the higher highs and higher lows. Also on the daily frame, we don't care about so much on the higher highs, higher lows, as we care about bullish or bearish crosses. I will explain later. Right now, let's go to the RSI and the commodity channel index. You can see that we can go either upwards or downwards, right? Neither of this indicator is in an oversold yet or an overbought situation. But if you see the daily frame, you will realize that we are in an oversold situation. So therefore, it is more likely that we are going upwards right here with the commodity channel index. Same here for the RSI, and the same for the stochastic RSI, that it is going already in an overbought situation with such a minimal guys upward, right? You can see that we are having just a little bit here of a 5%, and we almost got in an overbought situation according to the stochastic RSI. So that means guys that the coin is a little bit weak, right? When it is going easy into an overbought situation, like moving 5% and it is going into an overbought situation, that means that coin is weak. Okay, but right now guys, I believe, I really do believe, I don't know, that we can go to 41 cents, right? Let's go now to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see that when we are having a bearish market after an impulsive wave, we follow along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, right? We go along the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. Same here happened before. We had an impulsive wave right here, there we go, and then we followed the bottom line of the Bollinger Band, and we just had a swing high. Therefore, we might expect the same pattern right here around there to just have a significant swing high on the daily frame. Look at the commodity channel index. The way I told you before is the fact that we are in an oversold situation in the commodity channel index. We are below -100. This is the bottom line of the commodity channel index guys, and now we are below. That means we might be going upwards. The RSI though is not in an oversold situation, and that is a bit concerning guys, because we can move a little bit along the bottom line of the commodity channel index and let the RSI go into an oversold situation before we can go upwards, right? We have seen it going on many times like this. And now let's see the stochastic RSI on the daily frame. It looks like we are in the bottom, in the rock bottom, and we are going and along the rock bottom, right? So therefore we expect sometime in the day, in the next days, to just see TFUEL going upwards. We can't be going downwards forever, right? And after this bearish cross on the MACD, you can see that we are going all the way down. And why I care so much on the daily frame about bearish crosses is the reason here guys. We don't see many crosses to the upside or many crosses to the downside, right, on the daily frame. So we care more about when we have a bearish cross, and of course the further distance between those lines, because the higher the distance between the blue line and the signal line, of course the higher is the consolidation, and the higher the buying opportunity as we are going down, of course, right? Let's go to TFUEL Bitcoin chart, and I will tell you what I want right here in order to see a pump up. I will delete all of this right now, and what I want to see right now and what I liked about TFUEL is that we are going probably into a bottom, and I will explain why. Because you can see we are having lower lows in the price action, you can see that, and we are having higher lows in the RSI. So therefore this looks like a bullish divergence RSI for me. We see that in the commodity channel index as well, higher lows but lower lows on the TFUEL Bitcoin chart. Therefore, we might be ready now to have a significant swing high after the descending wedge with lower lows, lower highs, and you can see the 20-day EMA is just a ridiculous resistance level right now. Okay, so we need to have lower lows and higher lows here on the RSI, which we have, and therefore I do believe that we are approaching a bottom where we will see a significant swing high. The MACD is like the most indecisive indicator I have ever seen right now. You can see that we are going along the signal line and it is getting horizontal. That means we can decide going upwards, go downwards, go upwards. What should we do? Eventually, guys, we are going all the way downwards for TFUEL Bitcoin, even though the MACD is going horizontal, right? And we want to see now eventually if this bullish divergence will come across. I believe it is going on like this, and I believe that we will have a very significant swing high, right? Let's go to the daily frame. You will see on the daily frame we are in an oversold situation on the commodity channel index. That makes things easier, because if we were there, for example, then we wouldn't get a bullish divergence. But right now we have room to grow, and of course we have a buying opportunity right here. The RSI is not yet in an oversold situation. However, we check always the commodity channel first, as I've told you in my videos. And now we are at the rock bottom on the daily frame as well for the stochastic RSI. The MACD doesn't look good. However, guys, we might have a significant swing high, as I've told you before, due to the bullish divergence that I saw on TFUEL Bitcoin chart. And therefore, guys, as long as we kept talking about the TFUEL Bitcoin chart, which was very important, right? It was very important to see the divergence here, higher lows and lower lows, sorry, for the price action, and higher lows for the RSI. Now it is time to talk about the price, right? And you can see Bitcoin has gone to 34,700, a huge pump up right now for Bitcoin, and we are not yet into an overbought situation. That's very good. According to the stochastic RSI, we are going there, but that's very good for Bitcoin. You can see that TFUEL, guys, is going right. It doesn't move, right? So what is the problem right here? TFUEL doesn't move while Bitcoin moves. It is the TFUEL Bitcoin chart. You can see here that we are correcting all the way. We are underperforming against Bitcoin. So even if Bitcoin goes upwards, we can't go upwards, right? So I am expecting a significant swing high, as I said. And of course, if Bitcoin keeps having the higher lows and eventually surpass the 36,600 and go to 38,500, then for TFUEL it will be very easy to approach the 41.5 cents. So therefore, guys, for those who bought at the top or near here, guys, or for example here, I would suggest you never sell in a loss and wait. Better days are coming. Be patient, guys. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market, and also you will just take tons of profits afterwards. You will see that sometime, maybe it will take long, right? Maybe it will take long to reach the 66 cents, but sometime we will do it, and eventually you will have profits, and therefore it would waiting will be a virtue, right? And therefore, if you want just to do something about your losses as we are going down, you might want to invest some on TFUEL, right? If you bought around here, you want to minimize your loss by investing more while we go downwards. You don't want to minimize your loss by selling around there, for example. Don't sell when you are in a loss. That's the only way you're going to lose something, guys. Go and wait a little bit and hold your future in your hands, hold your coins, don't sell your coins. And you can see that I believe personally that we might have a significant swing high to 41 cents because of TFUEL Bitcoin action, right? Because we will have soon a swing high, and therefore if Bitcoin goes upwards, this will mean for TFUEL very nice news, right? And therefore I believe that we can go to 41.5, our next price target. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also join our monthly subscription, and of course join our Telegram group chat. Thank you. See you soon. Bye.